Another short topic in gallbladder, which is cholecystoses. Over here, we shall be discussing about four conditions. The first is the strawberry gallbladder. What happens over here is there is hyperplasia of tissue elements. Before I proceed further, the images which have been used in the explanation of cholecystosis have been taken from the internet sources and Bailey and Love. So, strawberry gallbladder, there is hyperplasia of tissue elements. There is submucous aggregation of cholesterol crystals and cholesterol ester. In USG, it shows a comet tail appearance. It is a pre malignant condition. We need to do a cholecystectomy for this patient. The next image which is showing is of gallbladder polyp. What I want you all to remember is that when the size is more than 1 centimeter, it is a risk of carcinoma, and that is when you need to operate it. My third is an adenomyosis of gallbladder. Now, this is also a hyperplastic cholecystosis, right? So what happens over here is there is hyperplasia of the wall with formation of sinuses which are called Rokitansky-Ashoff sinuses. So in adenomyosis of gallbladder, there is hyperplasia of the wall with formation of Rokitansky-Ashoff sinuses penetrating into the muscular wall of gallbladder. Now, this may or may not be associated with gallbladder wall thickening. The cholesterol deposits are intraluminal as cholesterol precipitates in bile trapped by the sinuses. Of all the things in this adenomyosis, what I would like to remember is the Rokitansky-Ashoff sinuses, right? And that the cholesterol precipitates in the bile trapped by the sinuses, hence it is intraluminal. The next image is that of the gallbladder diverticula, that is diverticulosis of gallbladder. This image has been taken from Bailey and Love and is the potential MCQ question that can be asked in your exam. So they manifest as black pigment stones impacted in outpouching. So what is diverticular? It is the outpouching of lacunae of Lushka. It is demonstrated by cholecystectomy cholecystography, when gallbladder contracts after meal. So this is a very small topic with respect to the gallbladder, which is the cholecystosis, where we describe the conditions like the strawberry gallbladder, where we have USG comet tail appearance and it's a pre-malignant condition. The gallbladder polyp, where size of 1 centimeter has a risk of carcinoma. Then in case of hydromyomatosis, where we find this Rokitansky-Aschoff sinuses, and the diverticulosis of gallbladder, which manifest as the black pigment stones, and it is demonstrated by cholecystography when the gallbladder contracts after meal. So these are four potential images which I thought of putting along with the gallbladder as they can be potential MCQs.